Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. Our topic for today is sound I. 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 First, our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to correctly pronounce or produce sound I. Number two, learners should be able to identify words containing sound I. I. I've told you that the pronunciation of diphthongs is similar to those of long vowels. Do you understand? A diphthong is made up of two vowels, and the two vowels are considered one. Okay, so the two vowels make one syllable in a word. Do you understand? So once again, the sound is pronounced as I, 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 and the spelling symbols containing the sound are letter I as in tide, kind, mind, malign, side, hide, twilight, advertise, bribe, tribe, and so forth. Next, IGH as in right, bright, fright, night, light, high, flight, plight, and so forth. The next IE as in tie, lie, pie, cries, etc. Next, Y as in my, buy, style, try, dry, ally, cry, and so forth. The next HY as in rhyme, time, thyroid, and so forth. The next EI as in either, neither, height, seismic, hepatite, and so forth. The next AE as in maestro, etc. The next AI as in aisle, etc. Next UY as in by, guy, and so forth. There are many other words containing sound I, I, I. With this, I think we'll be able to achieve our learning objectives. We've correctly pronounced the sound, and of course, we've identified words containing this sound. And I hope you've learned a thing or two from today's class. Don't forget to follow me, like my videos, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.